Hello everyone. Today our topic for discussion is objective resolution. As we know that Indian Constitution is a unique and the largest constitutional document, written document in the world. And Constituent Assembly is responsible behind the framing of the Indian Constitution. So far the object resolution is concerned. We see that this object resolution, it was framed by Jawaharlal Nehru. Object resolution किसने फ्रेम किया? फ्रेम्ड बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इसको फ्रेम किया। जवाहरलाल नेहरू फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया का जो पहला प्राइम मिनिस्टर था जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इसी ने फ्रेम किया ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन को। ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन है क्या? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन इट कंटेन्स द बेसिक philosophy and fundamentals, basic philosophy and fundamentals, and we can say that this objective resolution it defines the ideals of constitution of independent India. क्या है objective resolution? क्या define करता है? Defining objective resolution, defining the ideals of the constitution of independent India, of the constitution of independent India. याद रखना ये बात। So क्या है ये? We see that object resolution it defines the ideals. It defines the ideals of constitution. Ideals of constitution of independent India. Independent India. Clear? Object resolution को किसने फ्रेम किया? Who drafted or framed? जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इसे ड्राफ्ट किया, फ्रेम किया, ठीक है ना? But we see that on 13th December, on 13th December 1946. 13th December 1946. Important date. इस डे में क्या हुआ? जवाहरलाल नेहरू इसने मूव किया किसको? ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन को। कहां पे? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में, ठीक है ना? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन को कहां मूव किया गया? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में on 13th December 1946. Object resolution. Object was moved by whom? Was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru in Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly में इसने मूव किया। किसने मूव किया? जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने। क्या? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन को। सो फाइनली क्या हुआ? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में डिबेट हुए, डिस्कशन हुए। फाइनली वी सी दैट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली अडॉप्टेड, उन्होंने अडॉप्ट किया किसको? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन को। कब किया अडॉप्ट? ऑन 22 जनवरी 1946। 22 जनवरी 1947 ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन इट वाज अडॉप्टेड। इसको अडॉप्ट किया किसने? अडॉप्टेड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली। अडॉप्टेड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली। सो पहले ड्राफ्ट किया ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन किसने? जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने। फिर मूव किया कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली। कब किया? ऑन 13 दिसंबर 1946। सो फाइनली अगर हम देखें कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली इसको अडॉप्ट किया। कब किया अडॉप्ट? ऑन 22 जनवरी 1947, ठीक है ना? वी सी दैट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है हमारा, द प्रीएम्बल एंड द बेसिक फिलॉसफी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज बेस्ड ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन। सो फार प्रीएम्बल, हमारा जो प्रीएम्बल है, प्रीएम्बल द इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, प्रीएम्बल प्रीफेस ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। प्रीएम्बल इज बेस्ड, किस पे बेस्ड है? बेस्ड ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन। So preamble is based on objective resolution. Objective resolution contains the basic philosophy. It contains the basic philosophy and fundamentals of the Constitution. Basic philosophy and fundamentals of the Constitution. किसमें क्या है? Contain कर रहा है क्या? We see that the objective resolution contains the basic philosophy and fundamentals of the Constitution. ठीक है ना? And also we can say that the object resolution it enshrined the aspirations and values of constitution makers. क्या है? It enshrined, it क्या? Object resolution enshrined, it enshrined. It enshrined the aspirational values, the aspirations and values of constitution makers. Constitution makers के aspirational values और enshrined किसमें enshrined है? Object to resolution में. Object to resolution में. ठीक है ना? अब बात करेंगे हम the main principles क्या थे object to resolution के principles के बारे में बात करेंगे. ठीक है ना? So we see that जो preamble है, preamble is based on object to resolution, and we see that the father of preamble of Indian Constitution कौन है? Father जवाहरलाल नेहरू. जवाहरलाल नेहरू. अब क्या है? The principles. क्या है पहला principle? Object to resolution का. पहला principle. Under this we see that the people of India. The people of India. First principle. Under this object to resolution. Under this, the people of India. The people of India. The people of India guaranteed. इनको गारंटी मिलती है ना? Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Social. Guaranteed social, economic, and political justice. Guaranteed political, social, and economic justice, equality, and fundamental freedoms. Equality and fundamental freedoms. क्या है? Under this we see that the people of India guaranteed क्या मिलता है उन्हें? Social, economic and political justice. Political justice. As I have earlier I have told you that this object resolution is defining the ideals of the Constitution of India. ये define क्या करता है? Ideals of the Constitution of India and provides the framework within which the work of constitution making was to proceed. इसलिए हम देखते हैं under this the people of India guaranteed उनको क्या मिलता है? Social, economic and political justice. Also equality and fundamental freedom as equality, rule of law, equality of all people before law, rule of law. ठीक है ना? Rule of law, that all people should be treated equal before law. And we see that the citizens, they are enjoying social, they are guaranteed social, economic and political justice. Social justice, no discrimination on the basis of, on the grounds of region, religion, color, creed. Economic, every equal pay for equal work. Equal pay for equal work. And political justice, right to vote. And also everyone, every citizen of India, he can contest elections as well. Clear? So these are the political justice, social, economic. We are guaranteed. We say under this, the people of India guaranteed social, economic, political justice, equality, and fundamental freedoms. Fundamental freedoms. This was first principle. ये था क्या? पहला principle. किसके बारे में? किसका principle? Object to resolution का. Now the second. अब हम बात करेंगे the second principle of object to resolution. Second. So far, the second, we see that there should be the freedom of thought. Second principle, there should be the freedom of thought. The freedom of thought, expression. Freedom of thought, expression. There should be the freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith. Belief, faith, worship, vocation, association. Worship, vocation, and association. And association. क्या है? There should be the freedom. अब क्या freedom of thought? Now, there is a freedom of thought, freedom of expression. We are enjoying the freedom of thought, expression, speech, freedom of speech and expression as well. Clear? Freedom of every citizen of independent India now. There is a right to freedom of speech. right to freedom of expression, right to freedom. He can practice and propagate any religion, right to freedom to practice any faith, There is a freedom of worship, vocation and association as well. Clear? In Constitution of India, every citizen of India now enjoying these freedoms. Clear? In independent India. Clear? So, but we see that these principles earlier, this was the mentioned. किसका प्रिंसिपल है? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन का. ठीक है ना? थर्ड, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस थर्ड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन. जो थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन का प्रिंसिपल क्या है? टू हैव अ फेडरल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. टू हैव अ फेडरल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. फेडरल फॉर्म ऑफ government with the distribution of powers, between center and states. So to have a federal form of government, there is a division of power between center and states. Division of power, centers and states. Now there is a power sharing concept. Division of power. Center is more powerful than states. Center government is more powerful than state government. So center is more powerful. Clear? So we see that there is a federal form of government. To have a federal form of government with distribution of powers. कहाँ पे मेंशन है इसकी? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन में थर्ड फीचर था ये ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन का. ठीक है ना? फोर्थ क्या है? टू प्रोवाइड एडुकेट safeguards to minorities. To provide educate safeguards to minorities. Minorities को क्या करना है? प्रोवाइड क्या करना है? safeguards. Clear? Minorities, Muslims, they are in minority. Sikhs are in minority. ठीक है ना? Christians, Muslims, minority communities in India, and minorities backward and tribal areas. Backward and tribal areas and depressed and other backward classes. And depressed and other backward classes. So the fourth principle of object resolution क्या है? To provide educate safeguards under the new constitution, under independent we can say that independent constitution. जब इंडिया आजाद हुआ तो हमारा अपना जो own constitution, the constitution of India, we see that there is a educate safeguards. Provide educate safeguards किनको मिलते हैं? Minorities, backward class जो है, tribal areas and depressed and other backward classes. Safeguards. Constitution provides safeguards to minorities and backward and depressed classes, tribal areas as well. Clear? No, we see that these जो हमने डिस्कस किए they were कहाँ किसके प्रिंसिपल थे? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन के. ठीक है ना? हमने डिस्कस किया पहले ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन है क्या. ऑब्जेक्ट रेजोल्यूशन का मैन, we see that I have already told you that this object it contains the basic philosophy of the Constitution of India. And हमने डिस्कस किया, इसको अडॉप्ट किया गया, प्रिंसिपल क्या थे. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन. उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए.